Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Wednesday, but want to get things updated here. As overall, the chart is still perfectly fine. Now, I do realize that there's a little bit of perspective that goes into that, meaning if you're some sort of day trader and you bought up around there and your plan was to sell within 20 minutes after buying, well then yeah, from that angle, the chart's looking pretty rough. But assuming you care about more so the big picture, yeah, I get it. The price did pull back, but from the big picture, the price does still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher low. And as long as higher lows are being built over longer periods of time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. And I am going to be talking about things from a big picture point of view. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a day trader type perspective going into the chart. But the first level that really stands out after today is essentially the bottom portion of this consolidation area right here at, give or take, the 80 cent mark, 79 cent mark, but right around 80 cents, we'll call it, is that ideal level. And the reason that's important, and the reason why I would still call this overall chart bullish is, let's just say that the price continues to do what it's already been doing. It's done a great job of, hovering right along that level. So let's just say that continues to occur, and then eventually the price starts to work its way back upwards. From the big picture perspective, what would you have? Well, from the big picture, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have some lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, what do you have from the big picture? Well, you very clearly still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to drift higher, or in technical jargon, instead of drift, it's just going to trend higher. So 80 cents important mark from that point of view, because yes, I get it. And I should reiterate, I'm well aware if you are a day trader and you bought up there, then yeah, you do not care about these overall stair steps. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be commenting from the grand scheme of things viewpoint. So sure, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today, as in 1 day. Looking at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, you can see the price still has plenty of opportunity to build a higher low. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.